everybody, and welcome to vlog number and we are just going to showcase little baby Cosmo. And first of all, shout outs. So shout out one is to Purple Preston, yay, woo, shout out, yay, Purple Preston, yay. And the second one is to Cameron North, yay, woo, shout out, woo, Cameron North, yay. There's shout outs up. So Cameron North and Purple Preston. There. And now, woo. So something else I just want to say is that I'm sorry but there's no cod today. So instead there's going to be that on Tuesday and Wednesday. Survival on Monday as well. So let's get on with it. Woo. So here is Cosmo. The baby boy. The cutest one of all. The cutest doggy. He's the cutest one. And we cuddle him. And he's 6 years old. And he's tiny. He's so small, but he's so cute. So cute. Oh, look at him. Just look at how cute he is. He's miserable all the time now. Look at that mouth. Just look at that mouth. Miserable. Cosmo. That's Cosmo. You asked for him.
Come in.
You probably saw this in the test video. But anyway. Mission aborted. Stupid dog, honestly. Where is he? There he is. So chops. Why so sad? No, it's not. Alright, cuz. Alright, cuz. Alright. You're gonna play, aren't you? Yes, you are. Right. This is one of his toys. He's got a broken neck. He's got a broken neck. Right, guys.
I thought you kicked him.
I kicked him. Mum's kicked him out of my phone.
Cosmo. Come on. Come on, Cosmo. I just want to show something. It's really funny. It's quite funny. Hope you guys will enjoy it. So I'm just going upstairs. So here we are, done. But he's got his neck broken. Weigh him down, perfect. He's dead. He's dead. He's gone. I don't care if this doesn't show me, but he's dead. No. Where is he? He's there. With a toy. So this video is a bit more of a cause, but no. I'm recording, woo. Get it? So guys, hi, this was my video. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like, favorite and subscribe. Goodbye. Whee!